Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Love of Biology. Today we are going to learn about 30% deleted NCERT biology syllabus class 11 and the 12. Let us see first class 11 chapter 1, that is the living world. From this the deleted topics are taxonomy and the systematics and tools for the taxonomy, museums, zoos, herbariums, botanical gardens. So these are deleted from this chapter. Remaining all are there. Next chapter 2, biological classification. No changes from this chapter in biological classification. And this syllabus only for the board exams, not for the NEET. Next coming to the third chapter, that is the plant kingdom. From the plant kingdom topic, angiosperms, silent features and their examples, classification, characters, examples are deleted from the syllabus. From plant kingdom, remaining all are present from this chapter. Okay, next coming to the chapter 4. Chapter 4 topic animal kingdom. No changes from the animal kingdom chapter. Okay, all are present. All the phylums, everything are present from this chapter. Next coming to the chapter 5, that is the structural morphology, that is morphology of the flowering plants. Morphology of the flowering plants, that is from this root, stem, leaf, inflorescence, flower, fruit, seed all deleted. Along with that, one of the family, Fabaceae family, was deleted. Remaining all the families and remaining topics are present. Next, sixth chapter, anatomy of the flowering plants, completely it is deleted from the syllabus. Anatomy of the flowering plants. So this is only for the board exams, not for the NEET. So for the NEET, all the topics are present. Okay. Next coming to the next chapters, chapter 7. Chapter 7, structural organization in the animals. From this all the tissues are present. Cockroach, earthworm, frog are removed from the syllabus. And next chapter 8, cell, the unit of the life. And chapter 9, biomolecules. Chapter 10, cell cycle and the cell division. There is no changes. Nothing is there. Completely we have to learn the cell. About the cell. So all these are present. Next chapter 11, transport in the plants. And chapter 12, mineral nutrition. Completely they are deleted. And next photosynthesis is also completely deleted from the syllabus. The next chapter, that is respiration in the plants. From the respiration in the plants, no changes. All the topics are present in this respiration in plants. Next chapter 15. From the chapter 15, that is plant growth and development. From this deleted topics are seed germination, phases of the plant growth and plant growth rate, conditions of the growth, differentiation, de-differentiation, redifferentiation are present, sequence of developmental processes, seed dormancy, vernalization, photoperiodism are deleted. Remaining hormones are present. And next in the chapter 16, digestion and the absorption, completely it is deleted for the board exams. Digestion and the absorption, it is completely deleted. Next topic, chapter 17, breathing and exchange of the gases, that is respiration. Chapter 18, body fluids and the circulation. Chapter 19, excretion, excretory products and their elimination. There is no changes from these three chapters. So completely you have to read all these three chapters. Next chapter 20, excretory product, changes from this chapter. Next chapter 20, from the chapter 20, that is locomotion and movement. From this chapter, the deleted topics are types of movement, that is ciliary, flagellar, muscular and skeletal muscles. So these are removed, and skeletal system and their disorders are deleted. Remaining topics are present from the locomotion and movement chapter. So after that, chapter 21, neural control and the coordination. From this everything are present except this reflex action and sensory organs, those are eye and ear. So these are deleted from the syllabus. Next chapter 22. This is the last chapter, chemical coordination and integration. From the class 11, there is no changes from this chapter. So, chemical and coordination completely you have to read. After this, let us discuss the class 12 syllabus. Topic, that is first chapter, reproduction in the organisms. This is completely deleted. Reproduction in the organisms. And next chapter 2. From the chapter 2, it is sexual reproduction in a plant.